Easy. Hello guys, it's me Gianna. Today we're going to make the cookies. But when we're not finished yet, here are the ingredients. Let me show you. Here is the butter. Here is the vanilla and egg. What is this called?
Icing sugar and brown sugar.
And this is the icing sugar and the brown sugar. This is the flour. These are the small ingredients. Baking soda, salt, baking powder. Let's start by the what?
Mixing all the ingredients.
Yeah, here is the butter. I'll put it in. For this one. It helps us scrape easily. Now the sugar. It's so silly and it's the egg. Oh, we can pour it. Oh, the spatula scrapes. The spatula can scrape easy. You see, I get it right? We're gonna mix these ingredients first. Let's turn it on. Alu! Aku bisa.
Yeah.
Oh. Done? I am done. More ingredients that sticks. Ew. This one? This much? Oops. There we go. Done? Whoa, so fast! Okay guys, next step is pour the small ingredients in the flour. Good. Where's the last one? Thank you, Mama. Boop. Done. This mix with a little whisk. Done. Now all into the bowl. Ooh. Ooh. Now, surprise of the cookie, chocolate. Ooh, I love the chocolate cookies. Whee! And to mix again. Try mix again. Go. This much? This much? Oh, I love the cookie screens. Oh, I love the cookie screens.
Oh, looking so yummy.
Mmm. Yummy, yummy, yum. This much? Little much? This is our cookie dough. Oh, what's it? The cookie dough! Yay, 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 yay! Ooh, so ooey gooey. We're gonna make a lot of cookies, balls. Hey, I just saw something, Mama. What do you think? What do you think? Oh, it's just cream.
Have you washed your hands?
Yeah. Smiles. Smiles. I love to squish. Squash. Mama, look how tasty it's getting. I love to spread it wide. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make this wide. Add more. A little bit more. Done.
Do you want to smell the dough?
It smells. It smells. It smells tasty. Smells delicious. I'm adding a little bit of this.
What is that?
I'm adding a little bit of flour. To make it yummy and sweeter and lighter. Here we go. And more. I love this size. Boop. Better. The dough is getting smaller. Yes, smaller.
So your first birthday cake will be cheeky?
Yes, aku suka cikinya kayak gini.
Okay, so the first birthday cake is cheeky for celebrating with family. Yeah. And for school, Dora cake. Yeah.
And more. S'mores. I love s'mores.
S'mores. Have you ever eaten s'mores before?
I haven't eaten s'mores.
A lot of.
Choppy balls. It's a lot of choppy balls. A little bit flour. There we go. Roll. Mama, there are millions of these cookie balls. We need more dough for the solution. Do. Aku suka ciki karena dia lucu banget. Hey, there's more dough. See if it's long enough. I'm done with the big one. Ooh. Those are the holes for the cookies. I want this one. Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah. Can I open? I want to open,
Nanti Mama
please.
yang open.
I love how mushy it is and how creamy it is. You can mix with water if you like. Do. 3, 4. I'll blow them as cold as they can. Are they ready? I want to eat them. Are they set ready? Are they ready, Mama? Mama, are they ready? Cookies are ready, but they're so hot. Mama, I want to taste them. I want to taste them. It tastes yummy. Yummy like a gummy. Oh my gosh, our cookies are done. See you in the next video. Yeah.
just write down the score for the cookie. What's the score for the cookie? Write it down.
Ooh. 90. Score was 90.
Thank you.
Yummy.